Hi, I'm Sam from BBC Learning English. People in the UK have a reputation for saying sorry a lot. So let's have a look at different ways you can use to do this. So you can say sorry, you can be sorry, and you can apologize. In each case, we use the preposition to with a person and for to give the reason we're apologizing. I said sorry to my friend for forgetting her birthday. After for, you can use a gerund or a noun. But if you want a simple statement to say, I was wrong, you can use any of these. Careful who you say these to. My bad is very informal and you would probably only use it after making a small mistake. It won't happen again is probably better in more serious situations.